Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. I'm just gonna let you guys know that you guys can reset your windows on your Infiniti or Nissan if you guys have the situation where your battery went dead or you were replacing the battery and you need to reprogram your window or your windows. So basically, this is how this works. Number one, you're going to push the ignition switch to the on position. The on position is the position before the crank. It's the position where all the lights on your dash are on, but the engine is off. The engine is not started. Next, you're going to close the door. After that, you're going to open the window completely by operating the power window switch. So you're essentially bring your window all the way down. Next, you're going to pull the power window switch and hold it to close the window, and then hold the switch more than 3 seconds after the window is closed completely. Next, you're going to release the power window switch. You're going to operate the window by the automatic function to confirm the initialization is complete. And 6, you're going to perform steps 2 through 5 for other windows. I hope this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff, right, guys? Take care.